It's a little past Christmas here, but my brother was showing me this treasure he got from some in-laws who got this from China, and nobody ever knew what this guy was singing. And I want to see if you can tell me what he's singing. Not what he means to sing. Go.
All right.
He got bashful. I think that last few words tells you like it is when he's singing, I don't know. Good quality Chinese products here. Did anybody, hey Charlie, did anybody know what he was singing up until you listened?
How many hundreds of times did people heard this on the door? All the family, all the friends, everybody visited in the retirement home, and everybody walked down the halls, and nobody ever noticed that the words didn't make any sense whatsoever. And when they manufactured it, the Chinese were smart enough to understand that too. They said, hey, we don't need a script. The Americans, they'll never notice.
Amen.